Yo, what is going on, you guys? It is your man, Two Down Dan, back with another YouTube video, and I am so excited about this one, you guys. Today, I am finally showing off the TST Industries integrated, sequential, and programmable Ninja 500 taillight. Are you kidding me, you guys? This is insane. So I just want to quickly emphasize the fact that no other Ninja 500 owner in the world currently has an integrated taillight from TST Industries. Because they are still unreleased, I am beta testing it for them. They have been working tirelessly for the past year on this handmade unit. It is absolutely insane. As you can see, I am flicking through the modes as I sit here with my finger. So all you have to do is take out your lovely key, which should be rocking your TST keychain, and pretty much take off your sea cowl like that, because you have an SE model, which is sick, right? And yeah, I'll do a little in-depth video one day on how to install this and everything once I get the final one in a few months. So definitely stay on the lookout for that if you want to know how to install this, because it is literally like 2 screws, you guys. Once you have the old Fender Eliminator off your bike, that thing drops out of like this kind of general area right here, and then there's literally 2 screws like right here that hold this whole thing in place. There's like a little latch right here that you connect, and bada bing, bada boom, you have a TST Industries integrated taillight with 13 different modes. So I have it currently on my hazards, right? So now you're just gonna look at what it's like with the brake light only. So I have a t-shirt on the brake so that it's just constantly showing you guys what it's gonna look like. And I'm just flicking through these different modes so that you can see how unique this taillight really is. I mean, if you are looking to take your Ninja 500 to the next level and stand out amongst the crowd, this is the way to go, man. It is right here, and I am so blessed. I just want to take this time to thank TST Industries. They are amazing. Such good people. Like, I've been watching their videos before I even had a bike, and we're watching all their type of install videos and tutorials, just learning about 400s and really everything like that. Okay, so now I'm just going to put on like the left blinker, and then I'll cycle through some modes as well. So I'm really just cycling through these modes for you guys. And hey, if you're looking for some riding content, don't worry. I'm about to pack all this up real quick, show you how versatile this DJI camera is, because yeah, I've shown you this for a good amount of time here, been cycling through these, and don't worry, much more content to come, and stay tuned on the Insta. But yeah, we're gonna get to a little ride and a little top speed run for y'all, just because you guys are loyal and I love you guys, and I'm gonna get on the highway right there and rip it up with the 500. Shameless plug, because in 2 days the Two Down merch is coming, so you guys can ride around, throw that gesture down to everybody, man, and show the people in your community what you are about, right? So the riding season is here, and this integrated taillight is not yet on the market, but if you have your other one, your old one, hold on to it, man. Hold on to it for a few more months. Let this one release from TST, and I'll be giving you guys the link for that and everything, and you can go grab it. So, boom. Say we like that one. Boom, we'll set it there. No problem. We'll take our cowl, put this right back on in 2 seconds. I have my key in my pocket, which I don't need to start the bike. And I'm going to take you guys. What's up, you guys? And I'm going to throw you back onto my chin mount. Boom, look at that. Grab our stuff. Take this little jerry rig t-shirt off. My brake. and undo the hazards, undo the blinker, turn her on. Yo, you guys are savages for staying and watching this video. So I'm gonna get out on the road and give you guys some riding content, because I know y'all love that. See me ripping up on the 500, because I know we got a bunch of 500 owners in the chat. Yo, say what's up in the chat if you have a 500. Say, I got the SE, I got this color. Tell me when you got it, how many miles are on it. This is all about a discussion, man. YouTube is a cool place for a community. I want you guys to learn and know everything about me and my build. This is my lovely 40th anniversary Ninja 500, shoom, 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 with the brand new, unreleased TST Industries tail tidy. I can't even believe some of this stuff is happening, you guys, already. We just started our journey in January, and it really feels like a dream come true that all this stuff is happening, and we get to partner with some of the greatest people in the industry, man. Because TST, they are awesome. Their products are top of the line. Super, super good. As you guys can see by this handmade unit, I can't wait to see what the final unit looks like. Click into gear, and we slowly release the clutch and roll to the throttle so that we can ride, boys! Woo! Yes! We bought a bike so we can ride, not sit in parking lots and do dances and stuff like that, right? Where can we get some ragers in the chat? Ragers on the type of content that we be seeing on TikTok and stuff like that? Yikes. Bro, just ride the bike, talk about it, all that type of stuff. I'm going, yo, I don't even know. Let's get it! Let's get it! Yo, I put this new aluminum sprocket on the back and this new MotoGP chain, and my God, are we legit flying around, boys. I don't know if I was supposed to go that way or this way, so I'm just gonna go this way. Oh, shoot. Looks like the highway is this way. Although I am in my area, I am a little lost, but I'm trying to get onto the highway for you guys. Corner, 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 corner. Oh my gosh, should I pass this guy? Yes. Duh. It's a motorcycle. Pass him. Woo! Here's that top speed run for y'all. No cops, I just checked. Hitting the left lane. I just tried to shift up and we were already in 6th gear. My God. Full pin, full pin. Come on, where's that top speed? Show me 125. I don't know if that was a cop, you guys. And I don't have a plate on. So we're cooked if that was a cop. Nah, I don't think it was. Yo! Welcome to another video. I honestly didn't plan on filming this. I was in that parking lot trying to film that TST video for my Instagram, and I literally stayed up all night last night, you guys. I did not sleep, so I've been on a vendor. I went to work yesterday, got the TST stuff in the mail, needed to install it, and I love the look of it so much. It is literally so unique. And having 13 different modes that you can change with a click of a button, and they are all different and literally look so nasty. It's what motorcycling is kind of all about, you know? Having options for your bike and everything. It's why I went with the Ninja 500, right? Like, I knew companies were going to be putting out sweet, sweet mods. And I'm so stoked that I have the first one in the world on my bike. I know New Rage Cycles makes an integrated tail light, but it is sold out currently. I literally can't, I was trying to get my hands on one months ago, because like I said, it was the only one on the market. So I'm very, very glad God didn't put one in my hands, because TST Industries came along and saved the day, you guys. They made the best one. It's way better than the new Rage Cycles one. It's going to be around 150 bucks. They haven't finalized price, and they haven't finalized the release date. So thank you for being here, watching another video. I appreciate you. Please comment something, anything. I don't care what it is. It doesn't even have to be motorcycle related. I will respond to you. That is what it's about, you guys. I'm going to slow down here because I don't really need to risk it anymore or anything. This was a great video. I got to showcase the lovely first ever TST Industries integrated taillight on the Ninja 500. Look at our amazing view that God has provided for us today. And please subscribe if you are not already. It's what continues my journey. And go watch another 2 Down Dan video, guys. Later!